Hi folks, learn Chinese with Ikram. Today's activity the numbers. So today you will learn how to pronunciation numbers in Chinese 0 to 10. So our homework also mentioned in this picture, and now let's go with our first word. So here is 0, ling, the second tone, ling, also in character, ling, 0, ling, 0. The next one, 1, e, e, 1, e, 1. The next one, r, fourth tone, r, fourth tone, 2, r, 2, r, 2. And the third one is 3, san, 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 the first tone. So 3 is san, the fourth one, s, the second tone. Sorry, this is fourth tone. S, four, s, four, s, four. And next one, 5, wu, the third tone. Wu, the third tone. Wu, 5, wu. The next one, 6, liu, liu, 6, liu, the fourth tone. Liu. The next one, 7, chi, first tone. Chi, first tone. Chi, 7. And the next one is 8, pa, the first tone. Pa, 8, pa, the first tone. Pa, 8. And next one, 九, 九, 9, 九, 9 in third tone. 九, 9. The next and last one is 10. 十, 10, 十, 10, 十. So this is our lecture how to read and how to pronunciation. So folks, you have to remind and you have to remember this easy work and easy homework. You can practice and practice.